What up, folks? So I'm out here, and you know, this is my building. Okay, this is my building. I'm on top of my building, taking care of my building. Look at this tip. They're building over there. You got guys working down there. Okay, look at this. You got guys working at that building over there. Okay. And they just built the building here. You got guys looking here on the scaffold, they working over there. Okay? So, believe me, folks, okay? There's work out here in this field. Okay? Go ahead. I don't mind. People do need to go to college, but if you don't make it, there's another way. It's called infrastructure. Infrastructure, infrastructure. Yes. This is the way you're going to make it in this land, you know. Everybody needs somebody who can build. Everybody needs somebody who can make things happen, okay? Anyway, it's nice windy up here. It's about 38 degrees, but it's not too cold. Look at it. Look at that. Building, okay? Everybody's working, and good salaries. Very good salaries. That's the thing. All right, anyway, I'll holler at y'all people later. Peace out. Assalamu alaikum.